There are very few bags that get me this excited, and I generally don't really like to play favorites with my bags just because I truly love every single one of them. But there are some bags that are simply extraordinary, and as soon as I saw this one, I just knew that it's going to be on the extraordinary list. So guys, my name is Laine and I love luxury designer fashion. So if you do too, I would really love if you subscribe to my channel. But now let's unbox the bag that I got for my birthday. I have not opened it since I left the boutique, so I am so excited to see it once again. And this is my third Dior bag. Yeah, last year I got my very first Dior bag. Then my husband got me the mini Lady Dior for our anniversary. And now this is going to be my third Dior bag. And I have to be honest, I am very impressed with the quality. Now, how am I going to do this? Let's see. It's coming out. So yeah, I mean, I know that obviously you should expect the best quality from these luxury designer brands, but with certain brands it hasn't been the case. So I'm very happy that I've been having such a positive experience with Dior bags. And now no more rambling, and let's finally open this box. Ah, so satisfying. Why are unboxings this satisfying? I wonder if it's in the dust bag. I can't see. Okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together. Okay, she's not in the dust bag, so you may see some bits and pieces already. Guys, let me introduce to you my first ever Dior saddlebag in the newspaper print. I'm at a loss for words. I mean, look at this. Okay, let me put away the box because there's everything just falling. Okay, so now that the packaging is out of the way, let's take another look at this bag. I really hope that the camera is catching at least some of the details because the detailing is incredible. And honestly, I still can't believe that I'm holding it, just because to have such an iconic bag in such an iconic print is it's unbelievable to me. I can't believe it. This is one of those bags that I never dreamed that it's going to be re-released again. And you may already know this, but the OG Galliano era newspaper print saddlebag was released for the fall 2000 collection, and it's become one of the most iconic and recognizable prints for Dior, partly of course because of Sex and the City and the iconic newspaper dress that Carrie Bradshaw wore in the series. Now let's take a look at the details of this bag because I was truly impressed. Okay, I also feel like I need to take a deep breath because I am so overly excited and I feel like I'm rambling a lot, so I really hope that this video is going to come out okay. So firstly, what I wanted to say is that unfortunately I haven't had the honor of holding the OG newspaper saddlebag, so I can't really make a proper comparison between the two, between the new one and the old one. However, based on the pictures that I have seen online, I actually prefer the look of this one. OG Galliano era fans, please don't judge me, but I generally prefer the look of the re-release saddlebag because I feel like it's more structured. And another big difference to me is hardware. The hardware on this one is more bronzy and plush, and the original one is more yellow goldish and flat. So I feel like this one just overall looks a little bit more luxurious. So I really truly do like it more. The other thing that impressed me that I didn't expect for some reason, maybe I should have, but basically the newspaper print is embossed on the bag, so you can actually feel it with your fingertips. I don't know if the camera is going to catch it. I'm definitely going to insert some mod shots because I feel like maybe you can see it a little bit, but it screams luxury. If you know, please let me know in the comment section below if it's the same for the OG newspaper print saddlebag, because I'm very curious if it is or not, because this really is something that I've never had on any of my other bags, and it just makes it so special and so unique. And yeah, I was very impressed. Now, I haven't had the chance to actually read the text that is printed on the bag. However, there was one detail that I immediately noticed, which is the date stamp. Over here it states Monday, April 15th, 2024, which is the date of the runway show of this collection. And if I'm not mistaken, the OG newspaper saddlebag also had a similar detail. I mean, the level of detailing is just incredible. I know that I'm probably repeating myself by now, but I'm just that impressed. And of course, I love the merge between New York and Paris. Over here, we can see the Statue of Liberty, and on the other side of the bag, we can see the Eiffel Tower. I love both of these cities. I've been to both of these cities, and I truly cannot wait to go again. And maybe I'll take this bag with me and take a picture with the landmarks and with this bag. Functionality wise, I think that it's functional enough, and I think that it's almost functional enough to even be an everyday bag. And now let me tell you why. Because, okay, first of all, it can be worn in three ways. So we have the top handle way, in which we can show off this beautiful, unique, and special newspaper print. And then the iconic thing with the saddlebags is the shoulder bag way, because when you wear it as a shoulder bag, you have the CD strategically located over here to show it off whenever the bag is worn as a shoulder bag. Additionally, this particular saddlebag also comes with a strap, which should be on the inside of the bag. Yeah, okay, so here it is. Here is the strap. Now, not all of the saddlebags come with the strap. So before you buy it, please make sure with your essay if it does or it doesn't, so that you won't have an unpleasant surprise if this is something that you were counting on. Now, let me take it out before it makes too much noise with all of the wrapping paper. Okay, so this is what the strap looks like. It's in plain black leather. It's adjustable. I mean, there is nothing really special about it. I'm kind of disappointed that it's not in the newspaper print. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing. I think it would have been nicer if it was in the newspaper print. Mm, for the price, it kind of should have been the newspaper print. But since I'm not really planning to use it, I don't think that I can be that mad, because I genuinely prefer the classic shoulder bag slash top handle bag way. If you ask me, the strap just kind of seems like a money grab for Dior, just to justify the high price tag for this bag. Personally, I would have preferred for the bag to be less expensive and without the strap. But I mean, like I said before, a strap, it's something nice to have, but I would have liked it even without the strap. So yeah, I don't know. I think they just wanted to make extra money or make it seem more expensive. Functionality wise, though, I do appreciate that this bag comes with a back pocket. Now, I wouldn't keep my phone in here just because I would be too scared to stretch the leather. It's quite a flat pocket. However, it could come in handy for small little papers like receipts or maybe parking tickets, something like that that is not digital just yet. So it's not like a huge thing, but it could come in handy. Okay, guys, so I think that I covered more or less everything. I can't really come up with any flaws at the moment. And I did watch quite a few reviews on this bag because a while ago I was interested in getting it in a different color. And I don't necessarily remember people saying a lot of negative things about this bag in this particular size. The only thing that is kind of in the back of my mind, what people mentioned, was that everything that you have inside of the bag inevitably is going to fall at the bottom of it because of the shape of it, obviously. But I don't know if it's going to be a problem for me just because I don't really carry a lot with me. But of course, we're going to see with use. But other than that, I really truly cannot come up with any flaws. And yeah, I'm just so excited and so happy to have this bag. I can't wait to style it. I think that it's going to be one of those, like cherry on top bags for an outfit, because you can wear the most simple outfits at this bag and it's like a whole look immediately. Just imagine a white top and light wash jeans. This bag, off you go. You don't need anything else. It's definitely a statement piece, a conversation piece, and I think that it's definitely going to be one of those forever bags in my handbag collection, which just makes it the perfect gift for myself for my birthday. So here she is in all of her glory. I'm pretty sure that it's already sold out, but if you're still interested in it, definitely contact your SA as soon as possible, because this is going to be one of those bags that's probably, when it sells out, you're gonna have to wait another 24 years for a re-release. So don't wait. If you're interested, go to Dior pretty much right now. So that's it for my video today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Stay safe, everyone.